Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. Welcome back to another video. It's good to have you here. Now, here's a quick tip, right? And this really comes down to work ethic. If you're looking to get something started on Amazon, you are essentially working for yourself, all right? You are your own business owner. And it's very hard if you're coming from a job or a corporate or basically a wage sort of mentality where you're working for somebody else and you have been doing so for many years, maybe last decade or a couple of decades, right? You essentially thrust yourself onto becoming an Amazon seller, but you basically are working for yourself. So you need some sort of discipline, some sort of work ethic, and it's kind of hard. And I've seen this happen before where it sort of becomes a routine where you wake up at 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock in the morning, you mosey around, you play PlayStation, you don't really get a whole bunch done, right? That ain't gonna make you a success on Amazon, that's for sure. Waking up early, jumping on Alibaba, looking at your competitors, finding out what they're selling, right? Looking at their new products, looking at websites like Kogan, checking out what Walmart is bringing in, right? Looking at those things on a consistent basis, that is what brings, I believe, and this is my personal opinion, I believe that's what brings success. It's consistency and it's creating the habit. If you become consistent and getting up early, going through the motions, doing the work, right? I believe every little bit, every day that you're doing something, even something ever so small as checking out what your competition is selling, I believe that's going to help you. One other thing is health. Health is really important, and this is something I learned from my mentor, which was the last thing you want to be is the richest man in the cemetery. So, your habits. I'm vegetarian, I'm almost vegan. I haven't eaten meat, chicken, beef for at least 10 years. I'm a big drinker of water. I think this is the best thing for the brain. Your brain is full of fat and your brain needs water, all right? And basically drinking a lot of water is going to not only give you more energy, I feel it's actually going to make you sharper. All right, I'm not a doctor, I'm just saying from my personal experience, if you're going to drink more water, make 2020 a year of health and wealth in that priority. So drink more water, eat more healthy, cut down on meat if that's what you want to do. And actually get up earlier, actually beat the sunrise up and focus on getting more work done. If you're currently in a job and you're like, I don't have time to start an Amazon business, well guys, you can make the time. You can cut out the Netflix or the Prime Video, right? You can cut out watching Jack Ryan, all right? Watch Alex Ryan instead of Jack Ryan, all right? Or instead of watching Desperate Housewives, start looking at your competitors and saying, hey, this is their product. Let me check out in Alibaba what this product costs. Let me see if anyone's selling this Amazon Australia, right? So start thinking, how can I make up the time? All right, so, good water. I tell you what, guys, do whatever you can to drink water, even if you have to add lemons to it. I mean, this is SodaStream. I love sparkling water. All right, this is actually helping me drink about 6 liters of water a day. And I encourage you guys to do whatever it takes to drink more water, because not only will you be sharper, you'll be way more productive. Guys, that was it. That's today's video, all right? That's what I'm going to share with you, all right? So nice, short, and sweet. Be healthy. Look after yourself. 2020 is going to be your year this year. Bye-bye for now. Have a fantastic day. See you later.